We are the Boerkoels,
and we own our own power.
thanks to POWERHOME Solar. Yeah, probably the biggest reason that we wanted to go solar is to move away from the power company as much as possible, and really also the increases that continue to happen with the power company, to be able to not experience those.
And to generally save money. I mean, why not generate and use the sun to supply our power?
One of the exciting things for us was the change in electric bills, the change in what our bills look like. We've had at least 7 months in a row of electric bills under $10, which was fantastic. We can monitor our production as the day goes by, so you know if it's a sunny day. And in fact, I can look up at any point in time what that's doing.
Our experience with our sales representative was great. Graham came out, he explained everything to us.
I was gone the day that they actually did the install. I saw them first thing in the morning, but the entire installation was done by the time I got home. The neighbors noticed that we had the panels up there. In fact, our immediate neighbor, we referred to Graham as well. We look through the window, we can see her garage full of solar panels.
People ask me if solar's gonna work in Michigan. I say, it surely does. It does work a lot better here than in California.
We are the Boerkoels,
and we own our own power.
thanks to POWERHOME Solar.